Jimmy's a piglet, cute but sly, with a twinkle in his little eye. Jumps in puddles, rolls in the mud, laughing loud with a cheerful thud. Don't eat the cake, Mama would say, but Jimmy sneaks a bite anyway. Frosting on his snout so pink, he grins and gives a cheeky wink. Jimmy, Jimmy, little rascal, running fast and causing hassle, in the mud or in the yard. Life with you will never be hard. Off to the farm he runs so fast, chasing chickens as they dash past. Cluck, 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 they fly away. Jimmy's laughing all the way. He finds the laundry, oh what fun, pulls it down and starts to run. Socks and sheets fly through the air, Jimmy dances without a care. Even when he's naughty, he's our joy, this mischievous little boy.